Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the third part of the Pac Man game series. Today we will see how the Pac Man will move. So let's start. First we will go to events and drag when the green flag is clicked. Now we will go to control and drag forever. And then we will drag 4 if then statements. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So once we are done with it, we will go to sensing and drag the key space pressed and select the space and do it up arrow and down arrow, then right arrow and then left arrow. So once we are done with it, we'll go to looks and we will go to motion and drag this point in direction. For we'll select 180 and drag it in the down arrow, and then we will drag another point in direction and drag and select 0, then 2 more point in directions, and then we want the right arrow, so point in direction 90 will be good, and then we want the left arrow, so point in minus 90 will be good. So let's see if it works. The moving works. So it's still not working because we don't have move 10 steps here. So we will go to motion. At the top of it you see move 10 steps. Drag it here, here, here and here. So once we are done with it, let's check the result. So it's still pretty fast. And now what we'll do is slow the speed, like move 5 steps. So now let's see if it works. Yeah, so it's working. I hope you guys liked my video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Thank you, support, like and subscribe. Bye.